Hi guys, this is Alpna. Glad to see you on this channel. Today I am sharing this beautiful DIY which I made for my sister-in-law for the wedding anniversary. Let's enjoy the process together. Take a canvas board. Color the canvas board of your choice. You can take any acrylic color and let it dry for at least half an hour. Let's make the textured paste. Here I am making black textured paste. For this I have taken 3 spoons of PUP, 2 spoons of glue, you can take any type of glue, and 1 spoon of black acrylic color. Likewise, you can make textured paint of any color of your choice. To adjust the consistency, I am adding few drops of water. Mix it nicely to make it lump free. Cut out a heart from paper and using this take cutouts from thermocol or cardboard, or you can also use clay here. As I have never done decoupage of thermocol, so I was just experimenting. Now cover this thermocol piece using decoupage paper of your choice. Seal your decoupage art with Fevicol or Mod Podge. Here I am using Fevicol mixed with few drops of water. Take equal quantity of resin and hardener and mix it nicely. After mixing, roll the clay using talcum powder. Here I am using these molds. Cut out clay hearts using molds. I have already made few and these are made from homemade air dry clay, and believe me, these are equally good. These small hearts are also made from homemade air dry clay, and now we are going to paint them red. Here I am going to use this stencil. I brought it from Amazon. Fix it nicely using a masking tape. And using textured paste, stencil the coat on canvas and let it dry for at least 2 to 3 hours. Now lift it gently. Stencil the design on heart using textured paste. Lift it gently and keep it for drying for at least 2 to 3 hours. Give few fine touches and let it dry. I am pasting the story on the margins of the heart. You can use anything like ribbon or jute rope. Now it is looking beautiful. I am using red foam glitter sheet to make margins of the canvas. I am cutting thin stripes of it and I will paste them on the margins. Paste the heart on the canvas now. I am using Fevicol to paste it. Let it dry for half an hour. Now paste these tiny little hearts here and there. I have made few hearts of red foam glitter sheet. I am using Fevicol to paste them. Now complete the process by protecting your work. Here I am using clear gloss spray. Let it dry and it's done. The wedding anniversary holds a very special place in one's life. You can make their day more beautiful by giving them a gift made by your beautiful intentions.